A lot of people don't have the tools or the know-how to change the rear wheel on their e-bike. And, you know, it is, honestly, it's a pain. It is definitely a pain. There's a lot of, there's extra wiring and stuff, and there's some things to worry about clocking it in the right angles to get it in here, and the non-turn washers and other things, but it is definitely doable. And if you have a bike like this, chances are some of the bike shops that you might want to take it to aren't going to actually work on it. It's prejudice, but it's real. And you can learn how to do this. Just need a couple of basic tools to take with you. Locate the motor's cable, which comes in here in this case. Sometimes it's on the other side, sometimes it's on this side. We want to be able to cut the zip tie. Sometimes there's two. That's the cable for the motor. Put it into the highest gear so it's on the smallest cog. That way you can move this to have the motor drop down. When you loosen the nuts, make sure you keep the non-turn washer, which is on the inside here, in the order that they come off, because it's going to be important when you put it back on. You might have to take the nut all the way off to get it around the derailleur. This is what the non-turn washer looks like. You see it has the tab on the left side and it matches the flats on the axle. That tab goes into the dropout here and holds it from moving side to side. When you have the wheel off, take a check into the brake pads and see how much life's left in them. In this case, there's still a little bit of life left. Be sure and check the inside of the tire casing. In this case, it was this little wire that created the problem. And please don't put slime or Tannus liners in your tires. If you don't want this to give you a flat, get a better tire. And we got that. On the axle, part of it is flat and part of it is rounded. We're going to put the flat part straight up and down so the flat part's on either side of here. Line the brake so it goes into the slot here. So we got the disc going into the slot. Use the ground to help make sure that the axle's all the way up into the dropouts on both sides before you tighten it. Because a lot of people will tighten it with the axle a little crooked, and that'll make your brake misalign and other problems. When you're putting the cable back together, both sides of the connectors should have a little arrow on them. Make sure those arrows match up, and then you can put it back together. Here you go. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Nando over here can check you out.